Hello friends, today we will discuss about some examples. First of all, example number 5. At the room temperature 27 degrees Celsius, the resistance of a heating element is 100 ohm. What is the temperature of element if the resistance is found to be 117 ohm? Given that the temperature coefficient of the material of resistor is 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 4 degrees Celsius inverse. So here friends, we know the resistance at room temperature. Now we already discussed about the relation between resistance and temperature. The equation will be like this: R is equals to R0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Also you can write that R2 is equals to R1, 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1, as you wish, right? So here we know the resistance at room temperature. So here room temperature T0 is 27 degrees Celsius. So R0, resistance at room temperature, is 100 ohm. Right. Now what is the temperature of the element? So we have to find out T temperature. If the resistance is found to be 117 ohm, so R is equals to 117 ohm. Here alpha is given 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 4 degrees Celsius inverse. Right. So here in this example, we know the value of T0, R0, R, alpha. So we have to find out T. So we simply use formula R is equals to R0, 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Right. So here we have to find out T. So we formulate T. So here R, here this R0 comes to the left hand side. So R by R0 is equals to 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Here we have to formulate T. So this one goes to left hand side. So R by R0 minus 1 is equals to alpha T minus T0. Right. So here we take R0 LCM. So R minus R0 is equals to alpha T minus T0. We have to find out T. So we formulate T minus T0. So R by R0 upon R0 into alpha. Right. Now if we formulate T, then T0 goes to right hand side. So we will get T is equals to T0 plus R minus R0 upon R0 into alpha. So T is equals to value of T0 is 27 plus value of R 117 minus R0 100 upon 100 into alpha 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 4. Right. Now if you solve this, then you will get temperature T is equals to 10 to 7 degree Celsius. Right. So this is very easy example. Only we have to remember the formula R is equals to R0 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Right. Temperature of room temperature, or we can say temperature of room, or we can say room temperature is given by T0 and resistance at room temperature is R0. Right. We know the value of R and alpha temperature coefficient is given. So simply we use the formula R is equals to R0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Right. And we have to find out T. So we formulate T and put the value of T0, R, R0 and alpha. So we will get temperature T is equals to 10 to 7 degree Celsius. Right. So our next example is example number MS2 7. So a silver wire has a resistance of 2.1 ohm at 27.5 degrees Celsius. So here T0 27.5 and resistance will be R0 2.1 and resistance of 2.7 ohm at 100 degree Celsius. So T 100 degree and resistance R 2.7. Determine the temperature coefficient. So we have to find out alpha here. So we know the room temperature T0 27.5 degree Celsius, 0.5 degree Celsius. Value of R0 is given 2.1 ohm. Temperature T is given 100 degree Celsius and R 2.7 ohm. We have to find out temperature coefficient alpha. So again friends, we have to use the formula R is equals to R0 1 plus alpha T minus T0, right? So again we know the formula R is equals to R0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Here we have to find out alpha, so we formulate alpha here. So here this R0 goes to left hand side, so R by R0 is equals to 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Right, this one goes to left hand side, so R by R0 minus 1 is equals to alpha T minus T0. Right, so here R0 LCM, so we will get R minus R0 is equals to alpha T minus T0. We have to find out alpha here, so here we formulate alpha, so we will get R minus R0 upon R0 into T minus T0, right? So alpha is equals to, we know the value of R is 2.7 minus R0 2.1 upon R0 2.1 into value of T 100 minus T0 27.5, right? So if you solve this equation, so we will get alpha is equals to 2.7 minus 1, this is 0.6, 2.1 into 100 minus 27.5, which is 72.5. So if you solve this, then you will get alpha is equals to 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 degree Celsius inverse. Right, so if you solve this, then you will get alpha is equals to 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 degree Celsius inverse. Right, so simply in this example we have to find out the value of alpha. So here we formulate alpha. So we will get alpha is equals to R minus R0 upon R0 into T minus T0, and put the values of R, R0, T and T0. So easily we get the value of alpha. Right. Next example, which is example number after 7, example number 8. Right. A heating element using a nichrome connected to a 230 volt supply draws an initial current of 3.2 ampere. So here voltage is given, which is 230 volt. So V is equals to 230 volt. Initial current, that is I1. So initial current is 3.2 ampere. Right. Now, which settles after a few seconds to a steady value of 2.8 ampere. So second current I2, 2.8 ampere. Right. What is the steady temperature of the heating element if the room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius? So room temperature T0, or we can say T1, which is 27.5 degree Celsius. Sorry, here room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. So 27 degree Celsius. We have to find out temperature of heating element, which is T2, or we can say T. Here temperature coefficient is given alpha 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 4 degree Celsius inverse. right? Now here V initial current, then steady current I2 given, room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. We have to find out T2, or we can say T. So simply we use the formula R2 is equals to R1, 1 plus alpha, T2 minus T1, right? So here in these two examples, the value of resistance is given, but here in this example we don't know the value of resistance, but instead of resistance here voltage and current given. So if we know the value of voltage and current, so we can easily find out value of resistance from Ohm's law, and we know that the equation of Ohm's law is V is equals to IR. So if V is equals to IR, then R is equals to V upon I. So initial resistance R1 is equals to V upon I1. Value of V 230, I1 3.2. So 230 upon 3.2, which is 71.875 ohm. Now R2 V by I2. Value of V 230, value of I2 2.8. So 230 upon 2.8. So we will get 82.143 ohm. Right. So from the equation of Ohm's law, we can easily find out the value of R1 and R2. Now if we know the value of R1, R2, T1, and we have to find out T2. So again we have to use the formula R2 is equals to R1, 1 plus alpha, T2 minus T1, right? So R2 is equals to R1 into 1 plus alpha, T2 minus T1. So here in this example we have to find out the value of T2. So we have to formulate T2. So again this R1 goes to left hand side. So R2 by R1 is equals to 1 plus alpha, T2 minus T1. This one goes to left hand side. So R2 upon R1 minus 1 is equals to alpha into T2 minus T1. So here we take R1 LCM. So R2 minus R1 is equals to alpha, T2 minus T1, right? So here we have to find out T2. So T2 minus T1, if we formulate that, then we will get R2 minus R1 upon R1 into alpha. This alpha goes into denominator. So we have to find out T2. So T2 is equals to T1 plus R2 minus R1 upon R1 alpha. So value of T2 as it is, we have to find out T2. Value of T1 is given, which is 27, plus value of R2 82.143 minus 71.875 divided by value of R1 71.875, alpha 1.70 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now if you calculate this, then you will get T2 is equals to 868.2 degree Celsius, right? So this is very easy example. We have to simply remember the formula R2 is equals to R1 into 1 plus alpha into T2 minus T1, or you can say R is equals to R0 into 1 plus alpha T minus T0, right? તો હવે જો તમે આ ધ્યાનથી જુઓ તો ફિઝિક્સમાં ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ એવું થયું છે કે આપણે એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરીએ અને એના આટલા બધા सम्स આપણી બુકમાં હોય, રાઈટ? તો આ જે આવા ક્વેશ્ચન છે એની ખાસ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. સિમ્પલ જ છે, તમારે ખાલી જે પણ ફિઝિકલ ક્વોન્ટિટી ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવી હોય એને ફોર્મ્યુલેટ કરવાની, બાકીની બધી વેલ્યુ ગિવન હશે, રાઈટ? તો તમે ઇઝીલી જે બી ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું હશે એને તમે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી શકશો, રાઈટ? તો સિમ્પલ તમારે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવાનો છે, રાઈટ? અને આવો એક એક્ઝામ્પલ તો બોર્ડની એક્ઝામમાં હોય જ છે, રાઈટ. તો એકદમ ઇઝી એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે, સિમ્પલ ફોર્મ્યુલા લખો, વેલ્યુઝ જે ગિવન છે બધી વેલ્યુઝ પુટાપુટ કરો તો તમને છેલ્લે આન્સર મળી જશે, રાઈટ. તો આ આપણે શું જોયું, એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 5, 7 and 8. હવે આવા જ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ ઇલુસ્ટ્રેશનમાં પણ છે, રાઈટ. તો હવે એ ઇલુસ્ટ્રેશનના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આપણે ટ્રાય કરીએ, પણ છે તો સેમ જે આપણે અહીંયા આગળ એક્સરસાઇઝમાં કર્યા, રાઈટ, એવા જ સેમ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે